Red Arrow Loans Express Loan Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Red Arrow Loans Express Loan Review. For your convenience, links to the product are included in the description below. In this video, we'll break down the key features of Red Arrow Loans, who they are designed for, and why they might be the right choice for your financial needs. Red Arrow Loans specializes in providing quick and straightforward short-term loans to individuals facing urgent financial needs. With loan amounts typically ranging from $100 to $5,000, they cater to those looking to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or other emergencies. The standout feature of Red Arrow Loans is its streamlined online application process, which makes applying for a loan fast and hassle-free. Borrowers can receive approval decisions within minutes, and funds are often deposited into their bank accounts as quickly as the next business day. This lending option is tailored for individuals who may have difficulty accessing loans from traditional banks due to poor or no credit history. Red Arrow Loans focuses more on the borrower's ability to repay rather than solely relying on credit scores, making it a more accessible option for a wider range of customers. The loan terms are flexible, allowing you to choose a repayment schedule that aligns with your financial situation. And the interest rates are clearly stated, with no hidden fees to catch you off guard. Red Arrow Loans also prides itself on transparency and customer support. Their website provides detailed information about loan terms, repayment options, and potential costs, ensuring you know exactly what to expect before you commit. If you have questions, their customer service team is readily available to assist you throughout the process. In summary, Red Arrow Loans offers a reliable, fast, and accessible solution for those in need of short-term financial assistance. Whether you're dealing with an emergency or need quick cash for unexpected expenses, this service provides a user-friendly experience designed to get you back on track. To learn more or apply for a loan, check out the links in the description below.